As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at these two propane grills, the Charbroil Grill2Go X200 and the Weber Spirit E-425. What's the deal?
Alright, so the Charbroil is super portable, right? It only weighs 20 pounds.
Yeah, I saw that. Seems good for camping.
Exactly. And it's got a 9,500 BTU burner, a 200 square inch cooking surface, and push-button ignition.
Okay, small but convenient. But what about the Weber?
The Weber is a whole different beast. It's a full-sized grill weighing over 100 pounds. It boasts 4 burners putting out 19,000 BTUs and a much larger 428 square inch cooking area.
Wow, big difference. So the Weber is for serious grilling?
You got it. Plus, it has a sear zone with boost burners for extra heat.
Sear zone. Nice. The Charbroil mentioned something about infrared cooking. Is that any good?
Yeah, Charbroil's TRU infrared system is supposed to eliminate flare-ups and cook food evenly.
Okay, interesting. And the Weber?
The Weber uses flavorizer bars to catch drippings and add flavor, which is pretty standard. It also has a grease management system for easy cleanup.
Cleanup is always a plus. What about the grates?
Charbroil has porcelain-coated steel grates, while the Weber has porcelain-enameled cast iron grates. Cast iron retains heat better, so Weber gets a slight edge there.
Gotcha. So Weber's bigger, more powerful, and better at searing, but the Charbroil is portable and uses that infrared thing.
Precisely. The Weber also has some cool modular features. The WeberWorks system lets you add accessories to the side rails.
Oh, like what?
Bottle openers, tool hooks, lights, stuff like that. You can even turn it into a pizza oven with the Weber crafted system.
Okay, that's pretty cool. Sounds like the Weber is if you want to go all in on grilling.
Exactly, and the Charbroil is if you just need something small and portable for occasional use.
Okay, thanks for the breakdown. Think I have a better idea of what I need now. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.